Hi guys, good morning. Ayan, so for today guys, bibisita tayo guys sa Limasawa Island. Before tayo patungong Limasawa Island, so we are traveling from Hingoog City. So Hingoog City going here sa Lipata Port. Ayan, Lipata Port, Surigao del Norte. Ayan, so dito guys sa Lipata Port, tayo sasakay ng mga barko patungo sa Maasin Port. Ayan, so Maasin Port, after sa Maasin Port ay patungo naman tayo sa Padre Burgos Port. Yung Padre Burgos Port naman guys ay yun na yung gateway patungo sa Limasawa Island. Ayan, so excited ako guys. So early in the morning kanina, 1 AM. Ayan, so mga 1 AM nag-travel na kami from Hingoog City, nagmotor lang kami ni Dave going here dito sa Lipata Port guys. Ayan. So it's sunrise. Ayan. So let's just wait na lang kung kailan ito mag-depart guys, itong barkong nasakyan namin. Ayan. Ito ay MV Lance Daniel. Ayan, may nakasulat sa ibabaw. Ayan. Just keep on watching guys.
A few inches later.
Ayan, for now we are just passing by the Limasawa Island because we are going straight to Maasin Port. Dun guys. Going straight tayo for the Maasin Port, and later from Maasin Port magbabiyahe tayo to Padre Burgos Port going to Limasawa Island. That's the proper way guys, going to Limasawa Island. Ayan siya guys. Limasawa Island guys has 5 barangays. It is a municipality of Limasawa. And so just keep on watching.
A few inches later.
Hi guys, nagsaka namin sa ilahang Roro, man sa tawagan ni Evershine. Ayan, so they're going to carry my motorbike. Ayan, so ayan siya, ginatabangan nila. Muna siya kada ko sa bangka nga mong sakayin guys, going to Limasawa Island. May ayan, mood kaayo. Abi na ko dili pwede ang motorbike. Ana kaya man po siya.
Sa duha, tulo, pat, lima. Ako nanuntikan niyampo. Kabilong o kabilong. Ako napod kang ipamayo. Kaduha sa simula. Pagkakay ay lagi kay alam ko gamay. Nagsarabayan ito anay.
Yay! Welcome to Limasawa Island. Yun yung sikat na signage guys na nakasulat sa bato. Welcome to Limasawa. Ayan. So maybe tomorrow na yan guys. Tomorrow, let's have fun here at Limasawa Island. Saan tayo magstay ngayong gabi, David? Ayan, we're going to stay tonight guys at Dakdak Beach Resort. Ayan, so we just arrived. Again, it's 3:45. Almost 1 hour po yung biyahe from Burgos Port up to Limasawa Port guys. Hi guys, ayan, so nakaabot mi diri sa among stayhan tonight guys, diri sa Dakdak Beach Resort. Ayan, so for now, diri mi magstay guys, then mo capture lang po mi mga beauty niya during this time. Ayan, so maybe nag-sunset na ditong area. Ayan, so very much affordable diri guys, naka mi sa ilahang room 1,500 per night. Ayan, so let's get inside. Ayan, dito namin nagligo guys para ma-freshen up lugar mi guys. Ayan, let's go. the beauty of Dak Beach Resort during this time guys. Ayan, so hapon na. And so I think ayan, tapos na yung sunset. Gusto namin maligo pero maybe bukas na lang para isahan na guys yung susuotin namin bukas. And so for now, kasi bago lang kami dumating dito, and so we are just observing the place. Ayan, so dito muna matatapos guys yung day 1 namin dito sa Limasawa Island, from our travel kanina from Surigao del Norte, yung Lipata Port hanggang sa Maasin City, Leyte, at saka hanggang dito guys sa Limasawa Island. So dito muna tayo magtatapos guys for day 1, at tomorrow day 2, yun na yung perfect na travel namin guys kasi marami kaming bibisitahin beautiful places here in Limasawa Island. Bye!